Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel 3D Prints by Samuel. Today I'm showing you a project making my own 3D filament from plastic bottles. The same bottles we throw away every day can become usable filament for 3D printers. This is possible thanks to a system I fully designed myself using an Arduino Nano and a 3D printer hotend. This system is the BOFIL system for PET bottle filament. The goal of this project is simple. Cut plastic bottles into thin strips, heat them up, and wind them into a regular and usable filament. Basically, it's about giving plastic waste a second life while cutting down the cost of 3D printing filament. This project is directly inspired by the Recreator 3D, but I wanted to make my own version, simpler, cheaper, and perfectly suited to my personal needs. My system is built on a simple and sturdy wooden board that serves as a base. On the left, there's the bottle cutter, which turns the bottle into a long PET plastic strip. In the center, there's the hotend. It's the part that heats up and melts the strip. Just above it, there's a fan that cools the hotend to prevent overheating. Finally, on the right, a spool mounted on ball bearings winds up the melted filament. The whole setup is powered by a stepper motor connected to the spool with gears. The Arduino is the brain of the system. It activates the heating through the MOSFET module, does the same for the fan, and controls the stepper motor to adjust the winding speed. On the controlled panel, you will find a TFT screen, which displays the system status, fan and stepper motor status, the estimated mass of produced filament, the hot and ambient temperatures, and possibly an alert in case of overheating. Push buttons to activate heating fan and the motor, and a thermometer that measures the ambient temperature of the room where the system is located. To begin, you need to prepare the bottle. Insert it into the cutter, then feed it into the hotend and pull the filament through to the spool to lock it in place. The system heats up around 250 degrees. That's the ideal temperature to melt PET without burning it. The strip is then slowly extruded, cooled down, and wound onto the spool. Little by little you get a clean, continuous and consistent filament, ready to be used for 3D printing. To get a high quality filament, you need a stable hotend temperature around 260 degrees, an ambient temperature between 20 and 25 degrees, fast cooling right at the nozzle's output, and most importantly, a very consistent extrusion speed. That's why the stepper motor is used. And on top of that, you're helping reduce plastic waste. That's it! This was the BOFIL project, the PET bottle filament maker, a homemade, low-cost but effective DIY system that turns everyday waste into useful raw material for 3D printing. If you also want to get into plastic recycling, build your own machine, or if you already have one, let me know in the comments. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment to support the channel. The first live extrusion tests are also on the channel. Bye!